Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a sign from a PDF. First, identify the type of signature you're dealing with, as the removal process varies significantly. We'll cover both image-based and digital signatures, providing clear, step-by-step instructions. You'll discover which tools are most effective for each scenario, ensuring you can confidently modify your documents while understanding the implications of such changes. Let's get started. For image-based signatures, the process is straightforward. Open your PDF in an editor like Adobe Acrobat or a similar program. Locate the signature, then use the selection tool, often found in the Edit PDF section, to highlight it. Once selected, you can simply press the Delete key or use a white rectangle to obscure it completely. Remember to save your document after making these changes. Removing a digital signature requires a different approach. Access the Signatures panel, usually found on the left side of your PDF viewer. Right-click on the digital signature you intend to remove. You'll typically see an option like Clear Signature or Remove Signature. Be cautious, as this action can invalidate the document's authenticity and legal integrity, potentially affecting its trustworthiness. Always proceed with care. Before removing any signature, always confirm you have the legal right to do so. Understand that altering a signed document can have significant legal ramifications, potentially rendering it void. It's crucial to create a backup of your original PDF before making any changes. Furthermore, always use reliable and secure PDF editing software to protect your document's integrity and prevent any unintended data corruption or security breaches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.